Enjoy the view of this 2024 Mazda CX-30. Here's an upscale SUV that's just the right size, the Mazda CX-30. This crossover offers more room than a subcompact and prioritizes design excellence, starting with its comfortable, quiet cabin and infotainment system. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, remote engine start, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist. You'll enjoy your daily drive more than you thought possible in this smooth, stylish CX-30. Come in for a fun and easy road test. Our team will make it the best part of your day.